So today we're going to be going to Costco because we're completely out of everything. We don't have no milk, no eggs, no yogurt, no cereal, no bread to make sandwiches for the kids' lunch. I had to like just be creative today when I sent them with snack. Thankfully, they like to get the school lunch. So yeah, you guys, we have to restock our pantry, our refrigerator. So we're going to be going to Costco for most of the things, but then the grocery store too, because I don't like to bulk buy on all of the groceries, just some of them. Like the fruits are always a great price there, and also like the meats, like the chicken, kids chicken nuggets, and like the salmon is always really good to get there. And Ember is right here. She's having a little snack before we go. Thankfully, I have Eric here with me to help me with all of, like the heavy stuff. I hate going to Costco by myself because, you know, you have to like carry like big heavy things, and I'm just like, ugh. So
oh, I should probably get some makeup. Oh, their makeup wipes are on sale. I know, it's only $9 right now. These at Target for one pack are like $5 something. So pricey. I always like to look at the kids' pajamas though. Every time we go here, these are a sale. So 2-pack for $11.99. Some for Ember. I just don't like the styles right now. You would actually love these. Oh, some above. Ooh, these are cute though. I like the stripes on the side. What we came here for, the food. $4.79. I'm gonna grab this here. They're not ready, but I don't plan on making avocado soon. By the time I want it, we'll have it. Ezra, stop picking on your sister. Is he picking on you, Ember?
No.
Let's just take that off. Okay, so we're gonna grab one of these. These are perfect for the kids' lunch boxes for school. And for Ezra, because he's the biggest snacker, but he doesn't like any food except fruit, snacks, and all the junk. I shouldn't. I think I'm gonna get the Fuji apples this time because they're the same exact price. And the Honey Crisp are not looking that good right now. They're all nice and reddish pink. Kind of pricey. I don't know why they don't have the bag ones that we got last time. Oh, this one has pumpkin seeds, broccoli stalk, green cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kale, dried cranberries. Yeah. This is a tradition that we do all the time. I don't know why. So we usually always get like chicken legs, chicken thighs. Even the breast is really nice. Just because at the grocery store, it gets like, it's so annoying having to Ziploc it and then like put it in the freezer. And sometimes it doesn't last that good. So we like to get them here.
So when we get home, we'll just separate them, put them in the freezer, and then whenever we want to make that for dinner, we just thaw it out in the morning, and then it'll be ready by the time it's night for dinner.
Look at her girly good.
And they also usually have just the regular chicken thighs, but right now they only have the boneless and skinless. But we ended up getting it anyway, even though it was a little bit pricey. But it is nice just so we don't have to do that ourselves.
Oh, so these are kind of like keto, babe?
No.
So it's like a...
Yeah, they're cheese. So it's like a healthier version.
The tortilla?
Yeah.
But I don't think you can't like cook it or anything. It'll melt.
So yeah, I wouldn't want to try these though, because I like my uncooked tortillas. I don't mind having the extra carbs. This is like one of our favorite things to get every time we go to Costco because it's so convenient. And if you've really just been so busy, just cook the stuff. It literally takes no time at all, and everyone will love it. So we're gonna grab one of these. Yeah, we should. We would get to, but these go by so fast. They're kind of small, and again, we have a big family. I'm so excited about this. Yay! You guys, these have been our new favorite tortilla chips because we've been making our homemade salsa, and they have like a really small bag at the store. So I'm gonna grab these. I'm in a bigger bag. These are kind of annoying. They're famous for only filling it halfway.
Stop trying to make cauliflower happen.
I like cauliflower. I like this with like crackers or hummus. Mm.
You find your granola pumpkin?
Oh, my pumpkin seed granola. I haven't had that. Oh, and the yogurts we gotta get. We haven't even started with like the main stuff too. I have the biggest sweet tooth, so yeah, it's not even that big because usually Costco's annoying because they have like these big things. Gluten-free, soy-free, no added sugar. If we get this, we gotta hurry up so too.
Yeah.
With the ice cream. Ooh, organized.
All that room.
Nice. Oh, look, Ezra's gonna give her a bottle.
Whoa.
Amber. Look, so angelic.
Look at that. I wish I had her life. Right? Look at it.
Feet
She's a
up.
whole mood. Look, she has my name. I might consider getting her granola. Okay, guys, this is how the shopping cart's looking so far. I'm pretty sure we're done too. After this, we're good. So we're gonna go check out now, pick up the kids from school, and then we'll see you guys back at the house.
All right, these two little mess makers are back.
From school.
How was it?
Good.
Yep. Did you miss me? Did you miss me?
I miss Mommy.
Ah, Eric's bringing all the groceries in. Yay! I didn't have to do anything. But I'm gonna lay everything on the countertop so that way I can give you a haul of everything that we got. And we spent
Too much.
Daddy,
too much, but just know we're not gonna have to go to the grocery store in a while. Actually, we still need to get like the little things like that you can get at the grocery store.
Stop for dessert.
Yeah, just wash your hands. Poor Amber. What is Sissy doing to you? I'm gonna show her this clip. I'm gonna show you this clip when you get older, and you can get your revenge when you start walking. Oh no, not Ezra too. Okay, so sorry it's not like the neatest, but we're losing light, so we gotta take advantage. So yeah, you guys see the pajamas that we got the kids, and I also like this for him. The Champion, a crew neck. We also got a ton of fruit. So our favorites to have with like our granola bars or whatever is blueberries, blackberries. So I'll go ahead and I'll just go ahead and put these in my little containers. I gotta clean out the fridge too. We got some Chobani Greek yogurt for us, plain. My favorite tortilla chips in a very big bag. We're gonna go buy this in like
one day.
I'll give it 2, babe.
One day.
Let's give it 2. And this has all of our meats. So we have our chicken, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And under here,
Drumsticks.
yeah, so we basically just got a ton of different chickens that we know we'll use all the time. And we're just going to separate them and put those in the freezer so that way we can freeze it and unthaw it when we want to cook them. Since we haven't been to Costco in forever, the kids love them. As you guys can tell, they're already eating them right now. We got some croissants. We needed some dino nuggets because this is just a staple, especially for picky eaters. And just some quick lunch for them. And we also got some organic eggs, and it's a dozen.
5 dozen.
What? Isn't that a little too much?
So we always do get.
We always get 5 dozen?
Yes. We go buy in like 2 weeks.
I'm going to go ahead and put those away a little later. I also got some makeup wipes because this was such a good deal. And I usually get mine from Target, and they're around like $5 plus. This was $8 for a 4-pack of wipes. So I was like, why not? They're on sale. And then I also got the kids some Honest juice. The box kind, because the bags are terrible. I don't know what the heck. Honest bag juice is like the word. So I'm happy they had the boxes here at Costco. And they were about $10, I believe. And we also got some apples. They were kind of pricey too, but they're so big and the kids love these. So I ended up getting it at Costco. We also got some bread. We actually haven't tried this type of bread. We got the multi-grain and the oat nut. We wanted to try something different. So we got that for the kids for their school lunches. Macaroni and cheese, a staple for kids. Picky eaters. Ezra loves mac and cheese, so just like good to get it there. We also got some cheese and bacon egg bites. So yum. For an easy breakfast, because sometimes we're so busy, and especially like when he's at work, like I'll go ahead and like warm that up. Brussels sprouts, bananas, clementines. This is also a staple every time we go to Costco. We love the tortilla crusted tilapia. It's so quick, so easy on busy days for quick dinners. These are, do you hear Ember growling? For easy dinners, and the kids actually like it. And it's a little bit spicy, but this is like the only type of spice they like. And also for a snack for the kids, I've seen some of these Bobo's oat bites in the flavor apple pie and strawberry. And this was $6 for 2 family-size cereals. So the honey bunches of oats is always really good. And then this is what we're going to make for dinner tonight. This is the bell pepper, stuffed bell pepper. All we have to do is warm it up. Because you know, every time we buy $400 worth of groceries, we don't want to go and like buy pizza or anything, so we're like, why not just like get that, since we're gonna like be busy and you know we don't really have anything planned for dinner tonight. And then over here we just have some milk for the kids, some Tide. This is a little yummy treat for Eric and I. Actually everyone, we all love these mozzarella sticks. Yum. So it's a little cheat day.
So good.
These are actually so good. Like, oof. And then we also got my favorite granola. I've been missing, this is why I really wanted to go to Costco, because this is my favorite granola. This is the pumpkin seed and Flak granola. And this is so good with plain vanilla yogurt and some fruit. I'm going to put the baby down real quick. And then for a snack for myself, I got some organic cauliflower bites with sea salt. I love anything that I could dip with hummus, with salsa. I'll even probably have this with salsa because I eat everything with salsa, you guys. We have been like so crazy with our salsa lately. So I got that for a snack for myself. And then this is for the kids' lunches. So, some organic oven roasted turkey breast. And then, of course, for another thing for their lunch boxes, we got some Stonyfield organic yogurts for the kids on the go. Just easy, and they love this yogurt. And then we've been taking our vitamins all the time now, and the kids are like noticing that, so they asked for some vitamins. We had some for them, but we just kind of just stopped giving it to them because I don't know why. So we ended up finding some of these at Costco. These are their Smarty Pants vitamins. And then we have some sweet kale salad. This is just good for like on the side for like any dinner that we make, just a little side dish. And then we also got 2 teriyaki stir fries. These are a must at Costco. So quick, so easy. We're gonna freeze one and put one out in the refrigerator. And then that is basically it, guys. That is what we spent at Costco.
1 box of diapers, size 3 for the baby.
Oh yeah, and that, I think it's in the garage.
Yeah.
So that is basically it, guys. We're going to go ahead and put all the stuff away. And I don't know what that was, but how about like, ooh. Okay, guys, so now that everybody is out of my hair, they're all sleeping now, I want to go in and organize and clean out my refrigerator, put everything away, and I thought I'd take you guys along with me as I do that because this task is very daunting and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys don't like to do this like me. So I'm going to first start by taking everything out of here.